Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover deleted events in Google Calendar fast. Whether you've accidentally removed a meeting or deleted something important, you can get it back in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. This method works only on desktop browsers. You won't find the option in the mobile app. Once the calendar opens, look at the top right corner. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. From the drop-down, click on Trash. This is where Google keeps all your deleted calendar events for the past 30 days. After that time, the events are automatically removed forever, so be sure to check soon after deletion. You'll now see a full list of deleted events from your calendar. Scroll through the list or use the search bar if you're looking for a specific event. Once you find the event you want to restore, just click the restore icon next to it. It will be added back to your calendar in the original date and time slot. If you want to recover multiple events, just check the boxes next to them and click restore at the top. This is helpful if you deleted several events at once. Keep in mind, if you're using Google Workspace, your admin might control this feature. And again, this only works on a browser, not on the Google Calendar app. That's all for this video. If this helped you recover your calendar events, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.